Assess your organizational project management maturity. This is key because if your organization project management is not mature, it may not make sense for you to get your PMP. You may want to evaluate your organization's overall project management maturity level and consider whether the PMP would help you in contributing to improving project management practices and outcomes. Again, family, that's one of those things where if it's not mature, you can't. I wouldn't even advise you going in there talking, PMBOK stuff because it may confuse the stakeholders. You have to meet people where they are and then bring them up with you. And so, what I mean by that is being able, if you have to put a project schedule in an Excel document versus using a software tool like a MS Project or a what's another Smart Sheets, then that's what you have to do. You have to again meet them where they're at, and then bring them up with you. And that's based on maturity. I mean, as the organization continues to get mature, they're going to want their project management team to be more. I guess I should say the formality to be more mature because they'll be able to go out and get more clients.